What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Get ready to dive into a burger lover's dream because today we're taking a huge bite out of America's best street burgers. From slow-cooked pulled pork to spicy jalapeno explosions and even a veggie burger that'll blow your mind, we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. All right, burger fans, let's kick things off with a Southern classic, the pulled pork Powerhouse. We're talking tender, smoky pulled pork, slow-cooked to perfection. First, we're going to make a dry rub with paprika, brown sugar, garlic powder, and a touch of cayenne for a little kick. Rub it all over that pork shoulder and get ready for a flavor explosion. Now, slow and low is the name of the game. Pop that bad boy in a slow cooker for 8 hours or until it's fall-apart tender. Once it's ready, shred that pork and pile it high on a toasted brioche bun. Don't forget a generous drizzle of our tangy BBQ sauce and a scoop of creamy coleslaw for the perfect balance of sweet, smoky, and tangy. Get those fire extinguishers ready because things are about to get hot. If you can handle the heat, the Jalapeno Firecracker burger is calling your name. We're starting with a pound of fresh ground beef mixed with diced jalapenos. A little goes a long way, folks. Form those patties and get them sizzling on a hot grill. While they're cooking, let's talk cheese. Pepper jack is our go-to for this fiery masterpiece. Once those burgers are grilled to perfection, slather on some sriracha mayo, pile on those pepper jack slices, and crown it with crispy fried jalapeno slices. This burger is not for the faint of heart. It's a flavor explosion that will leave you sweating and wanting more. Who says burgers are just for lunch and dinner? We're breaking all the rules with the breakfast beast, a burger so epic it'll fuel your entire day. Picture this, a juicy beef patty, cooked to your liking, topped with a perfectly fried egg, crispy bacon strips, and a mountain of melted cheddar cheese. While your burger is grilling, fry up some bacon until it's nice and crispy. Then crack an egg onto the griddle and cook it to your preference. Once your burger is ready, stack it high with that crispy bacon, that glorious fried egg, and a generous layer of cheddar cheese. The heat from the burger will melt the cheese and create a gooey, delicious mess. One bite of this beast and you'll be saying, "Move over, cereal, there's a new breakfast king in town." Calling all chicken lovers, this one's for you. The Crunchtastic Chicken Burger is all about juicy, flavorful chicken with an irresistible crunch. First, we're going to marinate our chicken breasts in buttermilk, garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of paprika. Let them soak up all that flavor for at least 30 minutes. Next, coat those chicken breasts in a mixture of breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs, and crushed potato chips for ultimate crunchiness. Now, fry those chicken breasts until they're golden brown and cooked through. While they're frying, let's toast our buns and prep our toppings. I'm thinking lettuce, tomato, and a dollop of creamy avocado ranch. Assemble your burger and get ready for a flavor explosion. The chicken is juicy and flavorful, the coating is insanely crunchy, and the avocado ranch adds a cool and creamy contrast. Fasten your seatbelts, burger lovers, because this one's not for the faint of heart. The Double Down Bacon Bonanza is a meat lover's dream come true. We're talking not one, but two juicy beef patties cooked to perfection with a layer of crispy bacon in between. While your patties are grilling, let's cook up a mountain of crispy bacon. Once it's nice and crispy, set it aside and get ready to assemble this monster. Stack your first patty on a toasted brioche bun, followed by a generous layer of melted American cheese, a pile of crispy bacon, and then your second juicy patty. Now for the finishing touches, more melted cheese, a dollop of tangy BBQ sauce, and a few pickle slices for good measure. This burger is a towering inferno of meaty, cheesy, bacony goodness. Hold on to your hats, veggie lovers, because this burger is about to rock your world. The Veggie Vortex is packed with flavor and texture, proving that vegetarian burgers can be just as satisfying as their meaty counterparts. We're starting with black beans, quinoa, and oats for a hearty texture and protein boost, adding chopped veggies like carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers for extra flavor and nutrition. Pulse these ingredients until well combined but still textured. Form patties and cook on a griddle or in a pan, toast buns and prep toppings, avocado slices, roasted red peppers, and spicy chipotle mayo. This burger is a flavor explosion. Sometimes, you just can't beat the classics. The All-American Classic is a timeless masterpiece, a burger that never goes out of style. We're talking a juicy beef patty cooked to perfection and nestled in a toasted sesame seed bun. The key to this classic is all in the toppings. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, tangy pickles, a sprinkle of diced onions, and a generous squirt of ketchup and mustard. It's simple, it's iconic, and it's absolutely delicious. The key to a perfect All-American Classic is to use fresh, high-quality ingredients and to cook your patty to the perfect temperature. Medium rare is always a good bet. This burger is a true testament to the fact that sometimes less is more. Get ready to fire up the grill for this one. The BBQ Boss is a smoky, tangy, and utterly irresistible burger that will have you licking your fingers. We're starting with a juicy beef patty seasoned with a simple blend of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. While that's grilling, let's caramelize some onions in a skillet with butter and brown sugar. Once your patty is grilled to perfection, brush on a generous layer of your favorite BBQ sauce. Pile on those caramelized onions, add a slice of melted cheddar cheese, and top it all off with a few crispy onion rings. This burger is a flavor explosion. The BBQ sauce is smoky and tangy, the caramelized onions are sweet and savory, and the onion rings add a satisfying crunch. Get ready for a flavor combination that will rock your world. The Mushroom Meltdown is a savory and satisfying burger that's sure to become a new favorite. We're starting with a juicy beef patty cooked to perfection. While that's grilling, let's sauté some sliced mushrooms in butter, garlic, and a splash of white wine. Once the mushrooms are tender and golden brown, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Place that juicy patty on a toasted brioche bun and top it with a generous layer of melted Swiss cheese. Now for the star of the show, those savory sautéed mushrooms. Pile them high on top of the cheese and get ready for a flavor explosion. This burger is all about rich, earthy flavors. The mushrooms are savory and satisfying, the Swiss cheese is nutty and melted, and the brioche bun adds a touch of sweetness. It's a match made in burger heaven. Calling all seafood lovers. The perfect catch is a crispy, flavorful, and utterly satisfying burger that will have you hooked from the first bite. We're starting with a flaky whitefish fillet. Coat the fish in a light, crispy batter seasoned with Old Bay. Fry to golden brown, toast buns, and prep toppings. Shredded lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and a dollop of tangy tartar sauce. Assemble your burger and get ready for a taste of the ocean. Crispy outside, flaky inside, with a tangy, creamy contrast. And there you have it, folks. 10 epic American street burgers that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients, fire up the grill, and get ready for a burger adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious burger content. Thanks for watching.